Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
So I'm going to include all the links in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for AdOps. It is from Info Growth Private Limited. So 10 vacancies are available for this position. So in order to apply for this position, you should have some skills like you should be having experience on ad serving platforms like DFP, DCM, GDO, etc., and also ability to work in rotational shifts in a 24 by 5 environment, including night shifts. And you should be having knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Flash, and other coding languages is beneficial to make sure that ads are displaying properly and that the ad tags provided for advertising are tracked properly. And the ability to work in a team environment as well as independently, and must be a stress tolerant, quick thinker with accuracy in work. So you can also check here with the other skills mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for search specialist media operations. It is from Google. So required qualifications would be bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience, and you should be having 4 years of experience in managing digital marketing campaigns with online measurement and operations, driving clear customer impact, and also experience with pitching digital solutions to clients or direct sales experience is required to apply for this position. So you can also check here with the preferred qualifications mentioned here. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can also check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist. It is from Nivos Designs. So it will be a full-time work from home opportunity. So they are looking for this position that is digital marketing, SEO and SEM, content writers and graphic designer candidates with 1 to 2 years of experience. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for the positions mentioned here, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@nivasdesigns.com. Next one, there is a job opening for operations executive. It is from First Foundation PRO. So coming to required qualifications, degree in any field is required, and candidate must be good in communication, preferably English, Hindi and Telugu, and basic computer operations like Excel, Google Documents, Microsoft Windows environment, and good problem solving skills and take ownership of duties, and preferably female candidates are required for this position. So coming to responsibilities, onboarding leads and managing the workflow for a e-commerce platform in beauty industry, and you need to generate reports and submit to management, and communicating with vendors on onboarding and lead management, and content management, portfolio data updates to various platforms. So these are the responsibilities. Interested candidates, you can check here with all the details, and you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist. It is from Gruvek Communications Agency LLP. So in order to apply for this position, the candidate must have graduation with minimum about 3 years of experience is required, and also advertising and branding background would be preferable for this position. So you must have some knowledge on digital marketing like online advertising such as Google SEM, Facebook, Instagram ads, display, etc., and SEO, social media, email marketing, and all these things. So you need to create the original content for them, and you need to develop and implement creative strategies and content for groundbreaking new digital campaigns, concepts, and creative outputs for the brands. And also the candidate should be having experience to achieve higher ROI on advertising spend through data driven ads optimization such as Google SEM, Facebook advertising, display or affiliate, etc. So you can go through with all the details mentioned here. So you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for ad operations specialist. It is from Ad Refresh Media. So it will be a work from home opportunity. So it is for it will be available on night shift. So minimum 2 years of experience is required in advertising operations or digital marketing, and also experience in programmatic, Google Ads, DCM, social platforms are preferred. So immediate joiners are preferred. So they are going to join in November for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@adrefresh.com. Next one, there is a job opening for customer support executive. It is from Skyhit Media. So it is working for online e-learning portal and e-commerce website. So you need to contacting the new students and conducting demo and coordinating with faculty. So these are the responsibilities for this position. So you should be responsible for acting as a liaison between the students and the company. So the required qualification would be any graduate or undergraduate with experience in customer support. So fresher candidates can also eligible to apply for this position with good communication skills, and you can expect a salary between 13,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is contact@skyhitmedia.com. Next one, there is a job opening for online paid ads specialist. So it is from Digital Catalyst Group. So the candidate must be having 2 to 4 years of experience to apply for this position. So let us discuss about some skills and interests mentioned here. Like you need to create and launch new PPC campaigns and channels as needed, and also you need to monitor, optimize and troubleshoot campaigns to performance goals, and conduct analysis that results in actionable insights and data driven recommendations. You should be having experience in the following ad platforms such as Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads and e-commerce marketplaces ads, and also experience in lead generation campaigns and experience in e-commerce revenue optimization and ability to increase conversions rate optimization. So you can go through with all the details mentioned here. So for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can also check in the description for the link. You can also check here with the rest of the skills mentioned for that position, and you can also send your resume to the provided mail ID to apply for this position, that is careers@digitalcatalyst.in. Next one, There is a job opening for digital marketing specialist. It is from Grey Logic Technologies Private Limited. So coming to requirements, qualification would be BSc degree in IT or relevant field is required, and 7 years of experience is required as a digital marketing strategist or similar role, and also experience in developing and implementing digital marketing strategies. And the candidate should be having the good knowledge of all different digital marketing channels, and good knowledge and experience with online marketing tools and best practices, and hands-on experience with SEO or SEM, SMM, Google Analytics and CRM software. And you should be a critical thinker, and problem solving skills should be there for the candidate to apply for this position. And you can check here with the rest of the skills mentioned here. So you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.